Good morning, students. Veena ma'am is here. How are you, students? I hope you will be fine at your home. Dear students, today we start Civics lesson number 3, Constitutional Design. Before starting this lesson, I want to give the introduction of this lesson. Dear students, first part, that is apartheid, of this lesson was not in your syllabus. Only Indian Constitution, Constituent Assembly is in this lesson. Before starting the lesson, I want to tell you the path of Indian Constitution. India's freedom struggle was launched not merely to overthrow the foreign rule, but an attempt to transform both Indian society and politics. There were differences regarding the path to be adopted after independence. However, some of the basic ideas were accepted by all. Constitution of India was drawn up under difficult circumstances. India achieved independence in 1947. Partition of India and Pakistan laid in 1947. Moreover, the questions of the merging of princely state into the newly independent state. Idea of Constituent Assembly firstly conceived by Mahatma Gandhi in 1922. In his words, Swaraj will not be a free gift of British Parliament. It will be a declaration of India's full self-expression. A memorandum outlined a proposal constitution was drafted in 1928 by Motilal Nehru and other Congress members. Resolutions of 1931 Karachi session of Indian National Congress was landmark. Constituent Assembly was formed as for the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The basic value accepted before setting of Constitutional Assembly. First is universal adult franchise. Second is right to freedom and equality. Third is protection of the right of minority. Constituent Assembly was set up in 1946 with the purpose to frame of Indian Constitution. The Assembly was dominated by the member of Indian National Congress. 26th January is celebrated as a Republic Day. But the Constitution adopted on this day? Now the question is this. No. Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Hello students, you listen the introduction of the lesson, the constitutional design. Now, what is Constitution? Constitution is a rule of set and regulation according to which our country run. So, what is the importance of Constitution to us? First is specification. Second is trust and coordination. Third is rights and duties. Fourth is good society. So this is the importance of the constitutional design. First is specific. It specifies how the government will constitute, who have the power to take which decision. Second is trust and coordination. It generates the degree of trust and coordinate that is necessity to different kind of people who live together. Next is rights and duties. It lays down the limits of the power of the government and tell us what is the right of the citizen are. Next is good society. It expresses the aspiration of the people about creating a good society. So students, we read what is constitution and what is the importance of constitution. Set of rule and regulation according to which our government run, that is constitution. What are its importance? Specification, trust and coordination, rights and duty, good society. Now students, what are the features of Indian Constitution to us? First feature is Indian Constitution is the longest constitution of the world. Second is it is drafted by Constituent Assembly in almost 3 years. Third is there were 395 articles and 8 schedules in it. So these are the features of Indian Constitution to us. First feature is longest constitution. Second is 3 years take it to complete it. Next is 395 articles and 8 schedules are in it. Our next topic is the making of the Indian Constitution. First, the process began during the national struggle for freedom. Second, Indian Constitution first draft in 1928, then 1931, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders demanded in the universal adult franchise. Second is social justice, then right to freedom and liberty. Next is participation in provisional legislature helped Indian in framing their constitution. They also learned what is the British were denying to Indian citizen. Last is leaders were inspired by French Revolution, British parliamentary system, the Bill of Rights of the US. So students, we read what is constitution, rule and regulations according to which government run. What are its importance? That is specification, trust and coordination, rights and duty, good society. Then we read about the features of Indian Constitution. Longest constitution, almost 3 years to complete it. It has 395 articles and 8 schedules. Then we read about the making of the Indian Constitution. So students, enough today. Thanks. Stay